Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling remote desktop on the host and granting access to the user account you will use. Next, decide how you will reach the host. Use a VPN for secure access, or plan port forwarding if VPN is unavailable. Make sure the host has a static IP or DHCP reservation so router rules stay valid, and record the public IP or a dynamic DNS name. This prevents connection mismatches when you try to connect externally. Once done, log into your router to create the necessary rules. If not using a VPN, forward port 3389 to the host's static IP, but restrict source IPs when possible. Make sure the host firewall allows remote desktop and enforces network-level authentication. This prevents unauthorized sessions before login. Also, use a strong password. Consider changing the default RDP port to reduce noise, and enable RDP encryption. These steps decrease attack surface while preserving remote access functionality. You now make the connection. Test locally first to confirm credentials and session settings, then connect externally using the public IP or dynamic DNS name. If using a VPN, connect the VPN client first, and then open the remote desktop client. Supply domain /username or username at domain if required. Verify encryption and certificate prompts before trusting the host. If things go wrong, check the public IP, port forwarding, firewall rules, and router logs. Often a restart of the host or router resolves stale network states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.